Good morning, everyone. It's Mr. Ocon, and we're going to start Steam. And although things might not always turn out how we like it, just remember, things will get better. Let's take a look at what we're going to do today. It'll be a review for most of you, but let's get started. I suggest you watch the video before you switch over to using your tablet. We're going to start by going to the internet. You can go straight to the Blackhawk website or any way you'd like to get to Safari. If you bookmark the code.org website, hit the plus sign up on the top and go to that bookmark. Go to code.org/learn. If not, you can just type in code.org/learn. Pause if you need to see it. Once you're here, we're going to narrow down the games we're looking at. On the left, you'll see we have the choices. Because I'm on my tablet, I selected iPad/iPhone. Now, we're going to take a look at CodeSpark Academy. We're working from easiest to hardest. So if you click on CodeSpark, you'll see we have the option to pick Start. It'll take you to CodeSpark. It might take a while to load. And here's how the beginning looks. We're not signing in. In the top left-hand corner, you'll see the schools icon. Go ahead, click on that, and it takes you to this menu. You'll pick Student. This screen, you're going to choose Hour of Code at the bottom. Takes you here. I'm choosing Puzzles. You can pick Explore if you like. Alright, let's go back to the menu and check out our next game, Dance Party. Now it's a code.org game. You can see the code logo up in the corner. So if you click on it, you get this menu. You'll hit Start, the orange Start. Then from here, you're going to pick Dance Party. That's Start on the left. Now you'll get a video when you first join in. You'll probably want to watch it to help explain everything. But since I'm here, I'm going to jump ahead. So you'll have to put in an age. It doesn't really matter what age you pick. You don't have to put your right age. It takes you to the first screen. If you read the directions, it says to move the block inside the other block. So you're going to make a new cat and connect it to the setup block. So I'm going to drag it over. It goes inside the setup block. So whenever we hit run, we'll make a new cat on the left. Now, I'm going to change the song. So if you click on that menu, you can go through and find a song that you like. When you complete a round, you get the congratulations and you go to the next round. Dance Party has a lot of videos to help you out. In the next round, you're picking up where you left off. We still have our Make a New Cat, Dancer, but now we have to make them do something. So now the green blocks are our commands. It says when up is pressed, the cat will do a clap. And when down is pressed, let's see, instead of clap, let's change it to, let's see. All right, we'll do body roll. So now if I hit the up arrow, he'll clap, and down arrow, he'll body roll. Let's try it out. Well, we beat the round before we could do any more moves, but you get the idea. You can always replay it. Now, let's go back to the main menu again. This time, I'm using a drop-down menu to pick games only created by code.org. The others are still there, but this narrows it down to just the ones from this brand, because they pretty much work the same as the one we just played. Now we're going to take a look at Minecraft next. I'm going with Minecraft Adventure, since I always pick Aquatic. I want to mix it up this time. So I'm going to click the orange Start. It's going to take a moment to load. Again, you should watch the videos. They can really help you a lot. Now, it doesn't matter if you pick Steve or Alex. I'm going with Steve. And you can read the directions that they give you. They just want us to add a second move forward block so we can reach the sheep. So I'm going to drag the blue move forward block underneath the first one. Now, they have to be connected or it won't work. I hit run, and he reaches the sheep. All right, so I'm going to replay it though, because I want to show you there's more than one right answer. Now, usually you want the shortest amount of code possible, but sometimes it's fun to take the roundabout way. So I'm going to add some turns in. I sped this part up a bit. As you see, it's going to be okay to make mistakes. You get to start over as many times as you like. So I'm going to correct my mistake and add a few move forwards and another turn in and let them run. The game does record the lines of code you use, so you can try and beat your score later. Let's go back to the menu, and this time we're going to check out Coding Town. Now, it's not a code.org game, and it doesn't work on a tablet. You need to play on a PC. But it is worth checking out. It's a lot closer to the regular Minecraft. Next is a more advanced game, Code Combat, for you coding experts. It's a coding RPG where you create and control your player to get through the different dungeons. It's worth checking out if you've done coding before. You can pick your player. Some are limited to subscribers. I'm going to speed up through it.
Not a problem.
After you pick a character, you need to pick a coding language. This is what makes it more advanced. Next, just follow the prompts on screen, and it'll guide you through the game. So let's review. If you know what you're doing, you can move on ahead. On your tablet or computer, you need to get to the internet. That's step one. So I'm going to the web page, the school's web page, just to get us started. And from here, I'm going to go to my favorites, code.org. Now you can type it in, www.code.org/learn if you need to. That'll take you to this web page. To add it as a favorite, go to the upload box and click on it. This is on a tablet. Go down, hit add bookmark. There it is, with the yellow arrow pointing to it. Once you hit add bookmark, you want to hit save. That's in the top right corner. That'll save it as a bookmark. So anytime you hit that plus sign to add a new screen, you can go to the code.org thumbnail. All right, let's scroll down the page and take a look. You have lots of choices. Start at your level. All right, it's time to explore.